Guys, so this problem is called the case vectors of n. So basically you just so you can read the question. So basically somebody give you n and k, and you need to find the case I should say case divisor or case vector factors. Okay, so suppose n equals to 12, then this is all the divisors, and I pick the third. Okay, and so to write is very simple. That we first initialize the counts, and then we start from 1 to n plus 1. So why n plus 1? Because n could be prime. Then I check if n divided by I is 0, and if it is, then we find some divisor. So we find some factors, or a plus or equals to n plus a plus 1. And if we find a case divisor, then we just return. Okay, so and otherwise, if we cannot find it, we just return -1. Okay, so I guess it's still very fast. Okay, probably. Okay, so and the memory use is still okay. So yes, I think this is the easiest, very easy way to solve these problems. Okay, so how about we change it to, we can add an x. So sometimes if you use this, then you are much faster. No. Okay, so more fast. Okay, so this is my video for this, and I will see you guys in next videos, and be sure to subscribe.